Welcome to the Doug and Nikki Mobile Testing Studio today. I found a product on Amazon which I saw and I knew instantly I wanted to have it for our camping and travel. It looked like the perfect thing for me. It was a self-contained French press and insulated like a thermos where you can make your coffee and it'll stay warm the entire day, or cold if you throw some ice in it. And it came in a kit. It came in a kit with the French press. It also had a grinder and a sample of their own Defiance French brew coffee. So let's unbox it, see what's in there, see what it looks like quality-wise, and then we'll make some coffee together. I guess we should start with the heart of it, right? Let's open up the French press. Insulated to go. I love the name of the company, Defiance Tools. It just sounds cool. This looks like a really nice stainless steel product. Oh, it's got a little like carbon fiber fake kind of stuff. Traction on the side. I love that detail. Comes with a scoop for the coffee so you can measure it out. And just so you can see, just gotta slide it out. This is the French press. So this is just pretty darn unbelievable that this is one unit. We're gonna make the coffee, put the top on it, and it will stay hot for the whole day. I'm happy with myself that I found this. I hope this is enjoyable for you guys because I'm certainly entertaining myself. There's a handle for the grinder. Here's the grinder itself with the handle on it.
Stainless steel.
It's all stainless steel. Let's open it up. There we go. So old beans go in there. Put the cap on it. Put the handle on it. And then add that. And we're gonna grind up some coffee in a little bit. Now let's just, for the fun of it, let's just open up the coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I just love the smell of coffee. Here, let me pour this out for you so you can see what it looks like.
Dark roast.
They look good. Ah, smells so good. Let's make some coffee. Okay, so I just wanted to recover some of the attributes of this. It is insulated. This will stay hot all day or cold. I'm more of an iced coffee person myself. It is light. It is sealed. This could not be easier to work with and go with if you're camping. I mean, I guess you could take it to work or anything, but I really wanted it because we're out in the RV all the time, and this just seemed like the perfect travel companion. Let's see if their coffee tastes any good. Oh, I like that. That is good. A lightweight coffee insulated mug from Defiance.